In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organization chart from a list in Microsoft Excel using SmartArt. We're going to start with something very simple, a list of people and who they report to, and turn it into a clean visual org chart. This is really useful if you're trying to explain team structure, present to management, or just make your data easier to understand at a glance. First, make sure your data in Excel is set up clearly. Typically, you'll want at least two columns, one for the employee name and one for their manager or supervisor. Each row should represent one person. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of names and make sure each person's manager is listed consistently. Any mistakes here will show up later in your chart. Once your list is ready, click anywhere inside your data. If you want Excel to treat it as a proper table, you can convert the range to a table by using the Insert tab and choosing Table. This helps Excel recognize the structure of your data and can make things easier to manage as your list grows. Now, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the SmartArt button and click it. This opens the SmartArt graphic window, where you'll see different categories on the left. Click on Hierarchy. Because an organization chart is a type of hierarchy diagram, you'll see several layout options for hierarchy charts. Choose the layout that looks most like the structure you want, usually something called Organization Chart or a similar variant. Select it and click OK. Excel will insert a basic SmartArt diagram onto your worksheet. At this point, you'll see placeholder boxes in the diagram. On the left, a text pane may appear. If you don't see it, click the small arrow on the SmartArt's left edge to open it. This pane is the easiest way to enter your data. Replace the placeholder text with the names from your list, matching the structure by indenting subordinates under their managers. Use the Tab key to demote a box, making it a subordinate, and Shift-Tab to promote it back up a level. Work through your list carefully, adding each person in the right position. If you need more boxes, right-click an existing box in the chart, choose Add Shape, and select whether you're adding a shape above, below, or at the same level. Once your structure is in place, you can adjust the design and colors using the SmartArt Design and Format tabs that appear on the ribbon. Feel free to choose a style that matches your presentation or company branding. Finally, resize and position the chart on your worksheet so it's easy to read. And that's how you turn a simple Excel list into a clear professional organization chart using SmartArt.